Hello guys, I'm back again. If you recognize this whole look, it's because I just finished filming an Ulta haul and I wanted to share with you guys a mini Shein haul. I also ordered some pieces, not very many, just because I'm still learning like what I like and things like that. So yeah, I wanted to switch it up and bring in some like fashion content. So maybe I can do that more in the future because I'm constantly buying clothes. I just don't show it to you guys. So if you're interested in like fashion hauls, definitely let me know in the comment section. Okay, so with that said, grab your cafecito. I'm still sipping on my water with lipstick all over, but cheers, and let's jump right into today's Shein haul. All right, you guys, let's jump right in. I am very basic when it comes to my clothes, okay? First up is a shirt. I think I bought this one a little too big. It looked like it was going to be too tight, and then the reviews were saying that it ran too small, so I was like, okay, I'm going to size up. I'm usually a size small or medium. This is a really nice material, basic t-shirt. It's gray. I feel like grays look really good on my skin tone, hence why I'm wearing like a cool tone look today, which actually looks really nice with this, like the shirt, and this whole look is such a vibe. And it says born to be wild, and again, it's just very simple. I really wanted to step out of my comfort zone and I ordered me a dress. I don't have dresses. I think I have maybe like one or two. I don't wear dresses, but I was like, you know what, this material looks like it would be a little bit fitting to me. The only reason why I don't wear dresses is because I feel like my body doesn't look cute in these because I have a mom pouch and I'm tiny, guys. I'm like short. I'm like only 5 feet, okay? I think this dress looks really cute with either sandals or some like Air Forces or just Nikes in general, like if you want to make it a little bit more sporty. This one is actually a little bit longer and I will show you guys how it looks on my body. I will probably have to wear some sort of like faja for this, but I love the detail. I love the color. I love how like the stripes will make you look a little bit more slim because the stripes are going down versus like side to side. So yep, got a cute dress for the summer. I love when Shein has these little packages of 4 or 3 shirts for a price of one, and I love, again, basic tees. So this one came with 4 t-shirts. The first one is this really cute like brown, and it has such a strange, so it goes like this. Wait, hold on, how does it go? Yeah, so it goes like this goes around your neck, and then this goes around your shoulder, so it goes like that. You'll see it, but this one I got it in a size medium, and then it came with this one, which is just a basic crop top, and I like to use these with like high-waisted either skinny jeans or mom jeans because I don't like to show skin. And then I got this black one, which this one is probably one of my favorite ones. It goes like kind of like crisscross right here, which I thought was so cute. This one I think was my favorite one. It's a really pretty, like an emerald green, and it's scrunched from the side so you can make it shorter, and then it kind of like hangs at the chest, so where it drapes, not droops, it drapes on the chest. Wow. I got some jeans from the petite section because I've seen so many good reviews and I love jeans. Like, I'm super comfortable in jeans. I wanted some flared jeans because I only have like one pair and I really like them, but literally it's the only pair that I have. So these are from, again, the petite section. I think I got these in a size 2 or a 4. I don't remember, but these are supposed to be high-waisted. So I haven't even tried them, and I just got this stuff in the mail. But again, I will try it on camera for you guys, and this is what it looks like at the bottom. I just think this with like one of these shirts, literally every single one of them would go with this outfit. Like this one right here would be so cute, or even this brown one. So I'm excited. I haven't ordered some from Shein in a very long time. My daughter loves ordering stuff from Shein. I also ordered some makeup, which I will show towards the end, so stay tuned for that. The last pieces of clothing that I got is a little two-piece set, which I do have to wash and iron. Actually, I think washing it is going to take it out. And I will insert pictures of the models so you guys can see it on their body, how it looks. So this is the two-piece set, and I know it looks big. I think I got it in a size small because I didn't want it to be too oversized. And then these are the matching shorts. They do look a little big, so I'm gonna have to try them on. Hopefully they should fit. They are a size small. I just thought these were super cute, and again, for the upcoming summer, these are gonna be perfect. The fabric is super soft. It feels very like thin and breathable material, so I'm excited for that. The very last things that I ordered are makeup. I ordered the SHEGLAM Skin Focus High Coverage Powder Foundation. This is in the shade Butterscotch, and it's almost the same as their Skin Balm, their influencer or something like that, their Skinfluence Balm Foundation, which is so good. I got this one to use it on the days that maybe I don't want to use foundation and I want to use a powder foundation or just to set the skin, and it looks so nice. I'm going to give you guys a swatch, and this is supposed to be extremely full coverage. I still have the swatches from my Ulta video. I forgot to take it off. I'm sorry, you guys, okay? I'm just in a hurry today. But anyways, that is the swatch right there. And I think it's going to match me pretty well. I hope it doesn't get or doesn't look too light on me because it's starting to get hot outside, which means I am getting nice and tan. I ordered 2 lipsticks. They released their SHEGLAM Dynamite Bloom Long Lasting Matte Lipstick. I got 2 shades. I got Encore Energy and I got Have No Fear. So this one is Encore Energy. Oh my gosh. Yes, it's that one right there. Really, really pretty. Then this one is Have No Fear. Ooh. Oh, I think this one is a little wonky. Oh, but that is so pretty. Look at that. Honestly, these two together are probably going to go really well with each other. I also got their new concealer to try it out. This one is the SHEGLAM Coconut Flakes Concealer, which is also supposed to be super full coverage. Oh, that's nice. I just got it all over me. Oh no! I literally got it all over my hands. That is really nice. I don't know if that's exactly the color that I usually gravitate towards. It's a little pinky, a little cool, which I definitely like more warm neutral colors. I forgot that I also ordered a lip liner. This is in the shade Mojave. I'm pretty sure you pronounce it Mojave. It's Mojave, which is supposed to be like a rich dark brown lip liner. And of course I got a brown. You guys know me and my browns. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Kind of reminds me of MAC Cork, I believe. Cork by MAC, which is a really popular color. And these are super duper creamy. So wow, I am very impressed with everything. What was your favorite piece, you guys? Let me know in the comment section down below what you liked from the makeup and from the clothing pieces. And if you guys want to see more fashion related content, definitely let me know, because I do love dressing up and I do love putting together funny pieces and discovering what works with like my mom bod, and I would love to share that with you guys. So that is it for me, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I love you all. Stay safe, and until next time, I'll see you all in my next video.